Welcome to the channel. Today we are exploring 5 fascinating curiosities from the United States. Some are natural wonders, others are small geographic surprises, and one remained a scientific mystery for decades. Let's begin. First, the Grand Canyon is larger than an entire U.S. state. Grand Canyon stretches about 446 kilometers in length, up to 29 kilometers in width, and reaches depths of more than 1,800 meters. To put that into perspective, the canyon covers a larger area than the state of Rhode Island. It was carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, exposing rock layers that tell a geological story nearly 2 billion years old. Standing at its edge, you are not just looking at a canyon, but at Earth's history displayed in stone. Now let's travel north to Alaska, where one of the shortest town names in the country exists. I is named after a road junction shaped like the letter Y. It is a small census-designated place rather than a large town, but it represents something unique in American geography. While many cities compete for long and complex names, this one stands out for its simplicity. It proves that sometimes less really is more. Next, we move to one of the most mysterious natural phenomena ever recorded in the United States. At Racetrack Playa in California, large rocks appear to move across the dry lake bed, leaving long tracks behind them. For decades, no one witnessed the movement directly, and many theories emerged. Some suggested magnetic forces, others believed in unusual wind patterns. Finally, scientists discovered the explanation. During rare winter conditions, thin sheets of ice form under the rocks. When the sun rises and melts the ice slightly, strong winds push the rocks slowly across the surface. The movement is gradual, but over time, it creates long, visible trails. A mystery solved not by speculation, but by patient scientific observation. Now let's talk about height. Redwood National Park in California is home to the tallest trees on Earth. Some coast redwoods grow taller than 115 meters, which is higher than a 30-story building. These trees can live for more than 2,000 years. That means some of them were already standing when the Roman Empire was expanding. Walking among them creates a different sense of scale. You realize how small humans are compared to nature's giants. Finally, we look at a powerful geological feature. Yellowstone National Park sits on top of one of the largest active volcanic systems in the world. Beneath its beautiful landscapes, geysers, and hot springs lies a massive supervolcano. While large eruptions are extremely rare and carefully monitored, the geothermal activity constantly reminds us that the Earth is still very much alive. The park's famous geyser, Old Faithful, erupts regularly. Due to underground heat and pressure. What appears calm on the surface often hides immense power below. These 5 curiosities show the diversity of the United States. From massive canyons larger than states to tiny towns with single-letter names. From moving rocks that puzzled scientists to the tallest trees on the planet. And beneath scenic landscapes, powerful geological forces continue shaping the land. The United States is not just large in size, it is large in variety, history, and natural phenomena. Every region holds something unexpected. And often the most surprising facts are hidden in plain sight. If you enjoy discovering unusual and surprising facts, consider subscribing to the channel. More content like this is coming soon. Now I would like to hear from you. Which of these 5 curiosities impressed you the most and why? Let me know in the comments.